In a recent video, I've demonstrated how to create patterns based on the 17 wallpaper groups in Inkscape, which has those wallpaper groups built in. This led to this pattern here. Now, you can use these wallpaper groups in Illustrator as well with the help of a set of templates. You can build these templates yourself, but you don't need to because all you need is the download from madpattern.com. If you download them, what you get is a folder full of AIT files. Let's take a look at them. So I'm going to start from Illustrator, and I have already copied this lizard here. And now let's set up a new file from the template. So I'm going to New from Template, and we're going to use those Mad Pattern templates. This one here, the P4 that I have used in Inkscape as well. And you get this kind of file. It's set up using a couple of layers that you see here, and there are instructions for how to use them. So what you need is a turn of this, and then you go in here. Everything that you should not use is locked. We are looking for this here, and then we need to use this. And inside of this, you need to have your artwork. So I'm going to paste in that lizard, and you can, of course, add more to that. You can scale that or rotate that or whatever you want to do with it to get the kind of pattern that you want. This is set up using effects. So you see up here, we've got the target symbol, which shows us there are effects applied. So let's go to the appearance panel just to take a look at that. And you see there are a couple of transform effects. We can dive deeper into here, and you see there's a clipping mask. So this is set up as a clipping mask for the layer, which allows us to draw inside of this easily. And then when you're done creating that, you don't need that anymore. Of course, you can take a look at the transform effects to see how they are set up and learn from that. But when you're done, you can take this artboard here and you can export that. And from that, you get a pattern tile that you can then use just normally. You see, this is the pattern tile, and this can be repeated just like the bathroom tiles that Illustrator normally uses, or that you can use on a web page or wherever you want. So this is how you can get the wallpaper groups into Illustrator and work with them easily.